Alright, I'm back with another layout. Let's try this again because the guy here to fix the leak in the roof showed up, so I had to stop recording real quick. So I was barely in when I thought, well, I'll just redo it. I was only a minute in. So anyway, the background is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Horizon 24. The blue layer that you see me cutting right there, that is a basil cardstock. I decided instead of getting the Project Life kit, add-on kit, I will get the cardstock add-on kit. So I can have cardstock that coordinates to the colors of the papers that come in each kit and use that as my background. Otherwise, I had just the pattern papers. So my pattern papers go a lot further having the cardstock add-on kit, and I just can't see getting Project Life and the cardstock kit. And with the Project Life add-on, it comes with embellishments as well, and I don't do Project Life type layouts. I just use the cards as embellishments for my scrapbook pages. So I was getting more embellishments than I could use. So even with like I said before, even with the embellishment add-on kit and the main kit, that's more than what I need. And I still end up with some left over, so I'm good. So anyway, the layers that I'm using are scraps. They're just random scraps from current kit, past kit. Actually, this is April 1st layout using the April kit. So these are definitely scraps from past kits. However, the papers are from the current April kit, but paper layers, no. And this is wackadoodle. It reminded me of the movie Big Daddy, when the boy dressed however he let the boy dress however he wanted to go to school. And so this kind of reminded me of that because we were going on a walk and Mateo wanted to wear his his Captain America Halloween costume. So I was like, go for it, buddy. It was fallish, so it wasn't hot outside by any means, but so hence the title, Superhero. Actually, I titled it My Superhero. So, so anyway, we were going on our walk with Coco when he wanted to wear this Captain America suit. And so I'm going to use some stickers, which are Dear Lizzie accent and phrase stickers. My die cuts are going to be Pink Paisley Horizon. And then that word adventure is chipboard sticker from American Crafts Horizon Thickers. And I apologize, but of course, there's Patton. He has to make his debut. Always. And I'm going to text my landlord real quick and let her know the roof has been patched. They just came to patch roof. let's hope it works. Instead of repair, well, although the guy did tell me the rest of the roof is fine. It's just this one particular spot is leaking right where the garage meets the house. So I don't know if that's a seam or what that is, but I know there's like a little groove there. And so it's leaking right there. And yeah. So hopefully she's done it was a patched before I even moved into this house. And then it wasn't, and then it was maybe a year or two and it started to leak. So I let her know. And then it was months and she never did anything. So I'm like, hey, it's leaking really bad now. So come on, we need to do something. And by this time, a hole developed in the garage because it's leaking down and it ruined the sheetrock, the roof. The wind is picking up. It's going to storm. Oh no. I need to mow. Anyway, sorry. So chipboard I said was from American Crafts Horizon Thickers. Oh, it doesn't say. Usually it'll update me as to when the rain is going to start. Uh-oh, 100%. Oh no, it says 20%. Ooh, tomorrow's 80. So let me do hour by hour, make sure. 9, 1, 3, 2. Oh no, we're past that. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 is 60, 70, 60, and 50%. Makes me think I should go out and try to finish mowing now. I'm gonna be stuck. That's Monday, Sunday. Oh wait, that's Sunday. Sorry. That's Sunday. Oh no, it's not gonna rain. It's gonna rain tomorrow. So hopefully Alex will be sprung early. He works at 10. So we're gonna get Mateo at 10 from his mom. Or sorry, 9 from his mom. So we can still make it to church. And then have Father's Day dinner with Alex and his Father's Day card. And was gonna get Mateo presents for Alex today, but I thought, you know what? I think I will wait till tomorrow. Then I can go ahead and maybe while we're at Sam's, get our paper towels and toilet paper, and then head to Walmart and get his Father's Day present. Yeah. So anyway, so I have stickers. I told you die cuts or Pink Paisley Horizon. I said that. So I'm just going to basically put everything down where it needs to go. I know, Coco. I got chicken cooking, Coco, so we got to wait till it's done to go on a walk, okay? Maybe 6 o'clock. And then my is Hip Kit Club's exclusive product, acetate stick die cuts, while Super is American Crafts Color Fresh Thickers, and Hero is American Crafts Charming Thickers. And that's weird. And here's where I do my title. And I do apologize, but Patton is Bach. Oh boy. I end up, I believe, moving him, but in the meantime, I'm just doing my letters, so. And he's just taking a nappy poo or watching me. Oh, I got a hot flash. Been getting a lot of those. Wow, I'm like, oh my God, I'll be freezing. I'll be burning up, especially at night. Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. So I put on long sleeves and pants, and then I wake up and I'm just sweating. So I kick the covers off, and then I wake up and I'm freezing. It's like, ah. So here's where I kicked them away, and I'm going to do my title. And then once I'm done with my title, that pretty much is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. I totally appreciate it. Bye.